Hello, Rick. Uh, I'm going to show you really quick how to do the video you asked me for. I want to check. This is your website, by the way. I want to check if you were able to change the email. Let me see. Username, edit. No, okay, you haven't. Okay, this is very simple. While you're here, you go to users and you click on this user, which is the only one, edit, and you see here email. You're going to change this email to your email, and this is what's going to show after you do that. Basically, an email will be sent to rick at fakeopt.com, and you need to verify that email. That's the only way that your email is going to show here. And of course, every time someone uses the form, you will receive the content, because your email will be here. That for the email. Now the video, once I show you how to do the video, it basically covers everything in the website because it's very simple. You go to pages, all pages, and we have three. This one doesn't exist. This page really doesn't exist. You can delete it. I just haven't. You got the home page and you got trainers page. Okay, you click on edit the home page with Elementor, and I will recommend that you use a big computer for this. Don't use a tablet. You cannot use a tablet. You need to use a laptop or a computer, and the bigger the better. It's going to be so much easier for you to work. Here we are. This is very simple. On this side, you have the elements. Okay. And on this side, you have the content. As you hover with your mouse on top of the content, you will see that each one is an element. Okay. This is an image. You click on the pencil, and then right here, let me see. Here's the images. That was a mistake I made, actually. Good thing I caught it. Oh, so as you can see, here's the image. You see, and on this side, you can change all the parameters to that image. If you click on, you're going to have content, which is the content within this area. The style. If you want, to change the image, make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do, and play with this. You see, the width. There we go. Same story. Opacity. If you want to make it like sort of transparent, you can even add animation. When you do one of those animations, you cannot see it now, but when you see on the website, the logo will come flying from somewhere, so you can look through all the different animations there are. There's plenty of them. And then you have advanced. The advanced is the margins, top, sideways, the padding, which is inside. For example, if I put 100, let's see, 200 margin, it's an exaggeration. This is what's going to happen. You see, it became smaller because we have add margin here, margin on the left, right. So I'm going to put 0. There we go. The padding is inside of the element. Let's see, 50. See, it's inside of the element. So this is very simple. You just need to go through this, and every item has this section here. You see, if you click on this one, the first thing you see is the content, which is written inside of this little box. Then if you want to start working on the different parameters, you click on style, and here you can change the size of the font. You see, smaller, bigger. You can justify it, make it to one side, etc. All those things. I mean, it doesn't work at this point because I set up a straight size. And again, the advanced is mainly for the margin, the padding, and background images. If you want this little square here to have a background color, there we go. Let's see what happened. You see it now. This is black, and now this is white. Whatever color you want to put in there. So I'm just trying to show to you that this is a very basic editor, And once you're done, all you need to do is click on update. The video, you wanted to know about the video, okay? We're going to go down to where the video is. This couldn't get any easier than this. You click on the video, for example. Actually, not the video, right here, this little pencil here. And you see this link? This is the Vimeo link. If you have a YouTube, or you have to just put the YouTube link here, and that's all you need to do. Now, let's say you have you want to have 3-4 videos, okay? You can copy this, duplicate this video, then drag it to this side. Okay, then you can do the same. And I duplicated it, I dragged it. You will obviously go here and change the video. Now, this one's very small and this one's very small. The reason being is because the cells are not even. So you have to even up the cells. Let me see. You see? See what I'm doing here? There you go. Let's see. You see, now you have 3 videos. And if you want to have, let's say at one point you have 6 videos, 12 videos, simple, just duplicate this. And then click on the pencil and change the length of the video. That's all you need to do. You see this background in here, you click on this cell. Here are the parameters. You go to style again, background overlay. There's the background right in here. You can click on that and you can change it. To make a demonstration, I'm not going to save this. A little bit too many views. Okay. The repeat. We put no repeat. There you go. So you can play with this. You know, it's a very simple. It's a very simple thing. Center left, center center. There you go. Just taking all of this out. See, this is a very simple website, very simple application. I designed this now for all my customers. It's so simple to use. So I don't think you will really need any more information. I mean, basically you go into the page and you go ahead and you start working with the different elements. Once again, here are the parameters of the section. And then you click on style, and that's where you change all the formats and everything. If you go to advanced, you want to add margin, padding, background, borders. Don't worry about responsive, that's okay. One last thing before I finish this video. Any change that you do, okay, you know what, let me get out of this. Exit to dashboard. Yes. Let me go back into the page. I want to show you something which is very extremely important. Whatever change you do, this is your original page. Whatever change you do, you can also see how it's going to look in a tablet or a cell phone. You click on this little TV down here, and you choose tablet. See, that's what happens. And if you see that this doesn't look like these words don't look well, they don't look fine, then you can edit this words, because now you are under the format of tablet. If you want to be under the format of cell phone, you click here. Okay. Let's say that this you don't like the way it looks in the cell phone, and you want it a little bit bigger. Well, I'm just gonna go to typography, size. You see what I did? And this is good because then whatever format or website's being, whatever you change, you're going to change it for the laptop. I'm sorry, for the computer, for the tablet, or for the cell phone. So, anyways, I hope this helps you, and just shoot me a text, an email, give me a call if you have any questions. Okay? That's cool.